Best way to learn English. Fast learn English quickly and easily. Introduction. Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Altaf, your favorite channel to learn English in a simple and easy way. In today's video, we are going to talk about something that many of you ask again and again. What is the best way to learn English fast? We all want to learn English quickly so we can speak confidently, get better jobs, travel easily, and connect with more people. But sometimes we don't know how to start or what method is best. So in this video, I'll share with you the most effective tips, habits, and strategies to help you learn English faster. These are tried and tested methods that really work. Make sure to watch the video till the end because every tip is important and together, they can change the way you learn English. Let's begin. 1. Set a clear goal. Before you start learning, ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Do you want to get a better job, study in another country, pass an exam like IELTS or TOEFL, talk to foreign friends or clients? When you know your reason, you feel more motivated. This helps you stay focused and learn faster. Example, if your goal is to speak fluently for job interviews, then focus on speaking and listening skills more than writing essays. Also set small goals with deadlines. Instead of saying, I want to speak fluent English, say, I want to speak about my daily routine in English by the end of this week. Tip, write your goal on paper or on your phone. Read it every day. It will remind you why you are learning English. 2. Learn daily and even for 15 minutes. The best way to learn anything fast is to practice every day, even if it's just 15 to 30 minutes. Some people study for 3 hours on Sunday but do nothing the rest of the week. That doesn't work well. Your brain learns better when you practice a little every day. Here's how you can add English to your daily routine. Listen to English podcasts while cooking or walking. Watch English videos or cartoons with subtitles. Read simple English books or news articles. Practice speaking with a friend or in front of a mirror. Even 15 minutes of daily practice is better than 2 hours once a week. Tip, use the Pomodoro technique. Study English for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. It keeps your mind fresh. 3. Focus on speaking from day one. Many learners wait too long to start speaking English. They think, I will speak when I learn more grammar. This is a big mistake. The truth is, you learn speaking by speaking. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. That's how you grow. Here are some simple ways to practice speaking. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. Now I'm brushing my teeth. After this, I will make tea. Use language exchange apps to talk to native speakers or learners. Record your voice and listen. It helps you hear your mistakes. Join English speaking clubs or conversation groups. Tip, start with easy topics like my daily routine, my family, my favorite food. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Start speaking today. 4. Think in English. Do you always translate from your native language to English in your mind? That slows you down. To speak English fluently, you must learn to think in English. How? Start with small words and sentences. Don't say in your mind, "Main pani peene ja raha hoon." Then translate to, I am going to drink water. Just say it directly in English. When you see something, name it in English. Chair and window, sky, fan. Ask yourself small questions in English. What am I doing? Where am I going? Tip, use Post-it notes and label items in your room. Write mirror, door, bed, etc., and stick them. You'll start thinking in English naturally. 5. Learn phrases, not just words. Many learners try to memorize long lists of vocabulary. That's boring and not useful. Instead, learn phrases, groups of words that people use in daily conversation. Why? Because we don't speak in single words. We speak in phrases. Instead of learning the word hungry, learn the phrase I'm feeling hungry or I'm starving. Here are some common phrases to start with. How's it going? Can you help me? What do you do? I'm not sure. That's a good idea. When you learn phrases, you'll sound more natural and fluent. Tip, Watch English movies or YouTube videos and note down useful phrases. Then practice them again and again. 6. Use English in real life. Don't just study English like a school subject. Use it in your real life. Language is for communication, not for memorization. Here's how to use English every day. Order food in English, even if it's at a local restaurant. Write your grocery list in English. Change your phone's language to English. Talk to your friends in English for 10 minutes a day. Watch your favorite shows or dramas with English subtitles. Tip: join Facebook or WhatsApp groups where people speak English. Start commenting, asking questions, and joining discussions. Using English daily will build your confidence and speed. 7. Don't be afraid of mistakes. This is a very important point. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Many people feel shy or embarrassed when they speak English. They worry about their grammar or pronunciation. But remember, mistakes are a part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes, so don't stop yourself from speaking. Here's how you can overcome fear. Practice with people who support you. Speak slowly and clearly. Focus on communication, not perfection. Learn from your mistakes and keep going. Motivation. Every time you speak English, you are one step closer to fluency. 8. Use technology, learn smartly. In today's world, you can learn English from your phone. There are so many free tools available. Some useful apps: Duolingo, fun way to build vocabulary. HelloTalk, practice speaking with native speakers. BBC Learning English, great for listening and grammar. YouTube, channels like English with Altaf. You can also use English podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts. English subtitles on Netflix or YouTube. Audiobooks on apps like Audible. Tip: choose what you enjoy. If you like sports, watch sports videos in English. If you like cooking, watch English cooking shows. 9. Get a teacher or join a class. Sometimes learning alone can be confusing. A good teacher can guide you, correct your mistakes, and keep you motivated. You can join an English language institute, take online classes, learn from YouTube like this channel, practice with a friend who speaks better English. Tip: don't be shy to ask questions. The more you ask, the more you learn. 10. Be consistent and patient. Last but not least, be consistent and patient. English is not something you can learn in one day or 1 week. It takes time, effort, and regular practice. Sometimes you may feel like you're not improving, but trust me, you are. Even if it's slow, you're moving forward. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up. Reminder: fluency is a journey. Enjoy the process. Celebrate small wins. Conclusion. So, what did we learn in this video? We talked about 10 powerful ways to learn English fast. Set a clear goal. Practice daily. Focus on speaking. Think in English. Learn phrases. Use English in real life. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Use technology. Learn with a teacher. Be consistent and patient. These steps will help you become a fluent English speaker faster than you ever imagined. Remember, the key is practice, practice, practice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf. Comment below and tell me, which tip did you like the most? Or share your English learning story. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video. Bye.